Alright, so this right here is my final project that I've completed. And also before we begin into diving into today's topic or today's project, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications when I upload videos because I try my best to upload at least like twice or at least once a week. And yeah, if you follow me across all different social medias, you see that I post different things as well. So I'm pretty much always active. Yeah, and also I have a Discord as well, so you all can join that and chat with me and whatever help you all may need. I can try my best to help you all. What I have here is it's a Spotify project, but also it has like different like the about and events and stuff. But the main criteria of this website is just the sermon page and how I have it set up. Just the basic stuff, as well. Like, you just click on this, you go to like the learn more. Yeah, you can see that there's a bit fade affected. There's like the events as well. It basically like to update people on like the events that the church has or upcoming events the church has. Also the contact page where people can, I'm sorry, all is functional. I'll show you everything here is functional. The contact, basically it's like, you can enter information into the contact page. Yeah, also as well, I do have more information going down, but I don't really want to dox the church because I have like the maps and stuff like that of the location and like the email. So I don't really want to dox the church. I would like once this website becomes official, then I can like show you all those parts of it. Also as well, there is a newsletter. I mean, you can see that does show a newsletter, so people can enter information into this field here and subscribe, and they would basically become part of the newsletter. And also like they would get a notification on subscribing, and this information will be saved to the database, and the church as well would get a notification on someone subscribing to this newsletter. So if I go to watch sermons, and you can see that I basically have it set up like how Spotify has it, and also I kind of added my own flavor to it, so you can filter out by whichever sermons you want to go to, and you can see that it would filter out there. You can also like search as well too. See that there's a search filter, there's a paginizing as well too, so it would like look weird on the screen, so it only goes up to like 6, and it will basically the rest will like go to other pages as well. So if I were to like just click on play, yeah, you all can hear that as well. So yeah, you hear it as well. You can skip through a bit.
Encourage us, because
also,
I don't know about
pause it. You can skip forward as well, and it goes to another part. Oh yeah, and I know that you all hear the same audio over and over. I just added like one audio file to it because I won't lie, it's a bit lazy, but yeah, you can see that it switches to different audio files. You also can like reduce the audio of it as well too. You can see how I make it lower. I also can go backwards. I can pause it. I can also exit it as well. And yeah, that is pretty much all I really added to it. Nothing really too difficult to understand. And yeah, that's pretty much it here with this project.